our client asked us, what could we do to rust-proof his 79 SC? Well, we know there's no way to rust-proof it. No such thing as rust-proof. But knowing that the car lives inside in climate control and knowing it'll never see rain, what we decided on was a good thorough cleaning of the underside, as well as a silica-based water-activated sealant. So this thing now beads up underneath as good as the top side. We used a nice gentle degreaser, biodegradable, lots and lots of car wash. Might have been a couple toothbrushes in there, but we got the underside of this guy and the wheel wells just as clean as the top side. So this looks like it was some type of an undercoating that was put on at some point in the past. Didn't want to go too hard on it because that could take the paint off underneath. What's cool is when Porsche shot these cars at the factory, paint gun came in here and you can see that it hit these surfaces, right? So there's just a hint of the blue there, and that's supposed to be like that. But you could eat off the bottom of this thing. All the aluminum cleaned up very nicely. We got up in the different areas. So he wanted to make sure there was no rust and it didn't become rusty. So now it's got a coat of wax on it. So these are remnants of who knows what, but nothing comes off. So all of this is now up in those wheel wells. It's all been cleaned and waxed. Well, sealant, silica-based sealant, made by Carpro. It's called hydrofoam. So last year we had done an engine out service. We had gotten the motor and tranny cleaned up pretty good. And this year, the client wanted to treat his car to something else. So hopefully next year, he lets me get the brakes restored. We can get the backing plates and all that. But boy, she looks as good from underneath as she does from the top. So this 79, we call her blue, should be around a whole lot longer. So thanks for watching. Check us out at BreitWerks.com.